Namaste everyone, welcome back to Chen Valley. I hope you all are doing well. Today, we're going to talk about how to invest in tech industry. Technology is one of the fastest growing industries in the world, and investing in tech can be a great way to grow your wealth. So, in this video, we'll cover some key things to keep in mind when investing in tech, as well as some tips for getting started. So, let's dive in. Before you get into the specific of how to invest in tech, let's talk about why you might want to invest in this industry in the first place. Tech companies are at the forefront of innovation and disruption. They have the potential to generate significant returns for investors. Tech companies also tend to have high growth prospects as they are often developing new products or services that have the potential to change the entire industry. Now, let me tell you what to look for when investing in tech. When it comes to investing in tech, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, you want to look for companies with a strong competitive advantage. This could be a unique product or service, a strong brand, or a large and loyal customer base. Second, you want to look for companies with a strong financial position. This includes things like a healthy balance sheet, positive cash flow, and a manageable level of debt. Finally, you want to look for companies with a strong growth prospect. This could be a company that is expanding into new markets, developing new products, or benefiting from a growing industry trend. Okay, you may now be wondering how to invest in tech. Now that you know what to look for when investing in tech, let's talk about how you can actually invest in this industry. There are several ways to do this, including buying individual stocks, investing in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, which are known as ETFs. Or you can simply invest in venture capital or private equity funds. Each of these approaches has its own advantages and disadvantages. So it's important to do your research and choose the approach that works best for you. Now, here are a few tips for getting started. If you are new to investing in tech, there are a few tips that can help you get started. First, start small and diversify your investment. This can help you minimize your risks and maximize your return over the long term. Second, do your research and stay up to date on industry trends and developments. This can help you identify promising companies and investment opportunities. Finally, be patient and focus on the long term. Investing in tech can be volatile, and it is important to have a long-term perspective in order to ride out the ups and downs of the market. So, there you have it, our guide to investing in tech. Remember, investing in tech can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it is important to do your research and choose the approach that works best for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.